you're not going to see a whole lot of holiday light videos from me this year. And the truth is our holiday light list is maxed out. I can't take any more clients. I can take a couple smaller jobs, but it's such a time sensitive thing, and we're so busy doing the stuff that we are really qualified to do. And not that we're not qualified to put in some lights on a house, but we're certainly not certified in it. And obviously, we're certified in freaking everything. So it's just not a priority for us. We're worried about other stuff right now. We're worried about getting people's irrigation systems winterized. We're worried about getting the leaves cleaned up. We're worried about getting the bushes trimmed. We want to make sure these last couple projects get finished before the holiday season or the year's over. We want to make sure we're prepped for these projects going into winter. We want to make sure that our snow plowing stuff is ready to go. We want to make sure our books are reconciled. We want to make sure that, everything's going good. We want to revisit our pricing and make sure that we're charging accordingly. Prices went too high or maybe they're too low, we can adjust them. You know what I mean? But we're probably not trying to advertise a bunch to go get a bunch of holiday lighting jobs. Not that it's not profitable, but it's kind of down there with mowing, where it's like so many people just enjoy doing it. There's not a ton of money in it, except for the few who really just want to pay somebody who they know is a professional and somebody who they know they can trust and count on, and they're really paying you for dependability and reputation. And they would just want it to be easy. They're paying you to facilitate the transaction. And we take on those clients, and I have those. And, I have customers who move and unfortunately pass away or end up having to go into a nursing home. And so we do have to add a client or two every year, and we get faster every year too because we get better, so we can take on a little bit more. We also try to add staff so that we can, maybe start earlier or just get more done. But there's guys who are scared of heights. So, and it's risky being on a roof. Like, that's probably the most risk we do is to get on somebody's roof and put holiday lights. We're landscapers. I mean, we're very comfortable on the ground. I tried the tree work stuff. I'm an ISA certified arborist. I don't want to be up in a tree. I'm not a fat guy, but I am not a light guy by any means. I am a heavy guy. And could I climb trees all day? I mean, I'm probably not on day one. If you gave me a couple weeks to get adjusted, I think I could do it. It would just, that's tough work. Those guys are beasts. I got mad respect for the guys climbing trees every day, man. I'm not that kind of arborist. So I really came on here to ramble, but I don't want to ramble too much. I think I just want to make sure you guys know that, yes, we do holiday lights. And no, I'm not an expert at everything. I'm not. And the things that I'm not an expert at, it's because I'm not trying to grow that side of my business right now. When that becomes an aspect I want to grow in my business, I'm going to dedicate myself to learning more about that. In the meantime, I'm focused on what I'm focused on. So